everyone, welcome back to my channel. With the start of the new year, I am itching to just get some areas in my home organized, as well as the rest of the world, I'm sure. Everybody wants to organize come the new year. But one of my main projects that I wanted to tackle is this pantry. As you can tell, it's just overflowing. It's not large enough for our family. Our family is actually a family of 7, and with all the food for everyone, everything just gets piled in, and then honestly, you can't find what you need. So my husband and I came up with a solution, and we actually decided to take part of our utility closet in our laundry room, add some more shelving to it, and make this into a second pantry. That way I could organize more of our food and make it more efficient for our family. So as you can see, the canned goods are taking up a lot of valuable space in this main pantry. And I knew that for step 1 of this organization, I wanted to remove all of the canned items and put those into the second pantry that we just built. That's because I really wanted to designate this main pantry as our daily go-to pantry. I want to organize all the kids' snacks in there and all of our daily items. And then for this second pantry, I really want it to be more of our baking goods, our canned goods, our extra food, etc. That way it's separated and easier to organize.
Every breath holds a moment, everyone a chance to take. You can see it if you close your eyes.
So after I got most of the canned goods and dry items organized, I knew that it was time to tackle this main pantry. So first things first, I started by pulling everything out. And honestly, there was so much expired food in here, so many nasty items that I found that it's kind of embarrassing. But that was the goal of this project because honestly, there was so much food that was going bad. And we were repurchasing things that we didn't need to repurchase simply because it was so unorganized and we didn't know what we had. So even though this mess was super overwhelming when I first pulled it all out, I am so glad that I decided to go ahead and tackle this. So once I had all of the food removed from the pantry, I wanted to go ahead and organize it by type. And today I am just using a bunch of bins from the Dollar Tree. And I have to admit, I was super excited when I walked into the Dollar Tree and saw white storage bins. I always go there to purchase any type of storage containers that I need, but usually you cannot find a good neutral color. And when I saw white on the shelves, I honestly was so excited and I bought them out. Y'all, there was so much expired food in this pantry. It was ridiculous. So I had to go through with a garbage bag and just pull out all the expired food. That way I could continue organizing. So like I said, the main goal of this main pantry was to make our everyday items more accessible for our family. My goal was really to make the kids' snacks super efficient and easy to get to, because if you are a mom of young kids, you will feel me on this one. But my youngest 2 are actually 3 and 2 years old. So when they get into the pantry, they want everything and it's just a mess. So I'm always telling my older ones, like, grab what you want and get out quick. That way the babies don't get in. I'm sure other moms can relate with me on that one. But by making their snacks more organized and more efficient, I'm hoping this will really solve that problem. And it's also totally going to help with lunchbox packing in the morning. If you missed my lunchbox packing video that I posted back before school started, I'm going to link that in the cards right here, because honestly, it has been a lifesaver and it has saved our family so much time and money just implementing a few simple tricks. So here's a peek at the second pantry inside my laundry room utility closet. It was very important to me to still have space to put my mop and my vacuum, etc. over to the side, but I still had plenty of space to be able to add in my dry goods and organize my canned goods by type. This honestly just feels so good, and now I'm not going to overbuy, because as you can see, we had multiples of a lot of things just because I did not realize that we had them. I was overbuying and spending money that I did not need to spend. And then here's a glimpse at our main pantry. It looks so much better. My kids came home from school and they were so overwhelmed with how good it looked. My daughter was like, "Oh my gosh, it's so much easier to find food now." And I have to admit, I'm so happy with how it all turned out, and just by using a few dollar store bins and clearing out the excess, it has made a world of difference. So I hope that you all enjoyed seeing the transformation of my very messy pantry. Honestly, seeing this before video is really embarrassing, but I am glad that I took the time to make the space more efficient and effective for my family. I hope that you all liked it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new around here, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel and join me on this YouTube journey. Every week I post videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and one of those videos always includes some form of cleaning motivation. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.